Hello guys, welcome to Civil Point. It's Abdullah Maqsood. Today we are going to find the quantity of cement in a concrete. So we will have to know the dimensions for which we are going to pour concrete. Let's suppose we have a raft which has a dimension of 8 meter length, 4 meter width and the thickness of 15 inches, which we have converted into 0.38 meter. So we have converted 15 inches into meter because the other dimensions are in meters. So obviously you should know the process to convert inches into meter. So it's very simple. Simply you have to convert 15 inches into feet, so it's 1.25 feet, and you will have to divide it with 3.28 and the result will be 0.38 meters. So here is 0.38 meter. So first of all we will find concrete volume. So concrete volume will be 8 meter into 4 meter into 0.38 meter. So it will be 8 into 4 into 0.38, so it's 12.16 meter cube. So this is the volume of concrete that we have to use for this raft. The second step, we will have some obviously we know that our quantity of sand will shrink, so we add 34% or 33% more sand in dry condition, because when it will wet it will shrink down, and the quantity of concrete or quantity of sand itself will decrease. So we will add 34% of it, and 34% volume in this volume plus 20% more volume, which will be the wastage. Obviously on in construction sites we have to face some wastage, so we will add 12.16 and we will add 34% of wastage, 0.34 plus 20% of 34% for shrink volume, and it's 20% for wastage. So result will be, so after calculation we got 18.72 meter cube. So this is our final volume of concrete that we will have to use for this pouring. Now we will go for a mix ratio. We have to know this. Our mix ratio, let's suppose, is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. What does it mean? It means that we have 1 out of total volume of 18.72 meter cube, we will have 1 part of cement, 1.5 part of sand and 3 part of coarse aggregate. So we will have 1 part of cement in it. So what is the formula of cement quantity? It is cement ratio divided by total ratio. Total ratio will be the sum of all these three, multiply by concrete volume that we have already got. So concrete volume is 18.72, total ratio will be the sum of these three, and cement ratio will be 1. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 and multiply by concrete volume, which is 18.72. So we got, we will calculate this. This will be 1 divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 and multiply by 18.72. So we got 3.40 meter cube. This will be the cement quantity. So it is in meter cube. Out of 18.72 we will need 3.40 meter cube of cement. So we know that the density of cement is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. So we will divide this one. So what our need is 3.40 meter cube, and density of cement is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. We will multiply these two to get our quantity in kilogram. So multiply by 1440, sorry, we got 4901 kilogram of cement. So this will be our final quantity of cement that we will need for this pouring and this meter cube of volume of concrete. And we also know that one bag of cement contain 50 kg of cement. So simply we will divide our total quantity with this one to get our number of bags. So we got 98 bags. So this will be the quantity of cement that we will need to get this pour for pouring of 8 meter into 4 meter into 0.38 meter deep raft. So this was our lecture for today. Subscribe Civil Point to get more videos. Thank you.